4 more decorative ideas for you to put a dent in your washi stash. Stay tuned. I know you have lots of washi. Okay, so this is part 2 to decorative uses for washi, a way to put a dent into your washi collection. At the end of the video, I will link you up to part 1 so you can go watch that. You don't have to watch that before watching this one. Let's just jump right in. Okay, so the first project is a notebook cover. Let's say that you have a notebook, or this is a little planner that you actually love, but the cover is either boring or you don't like it. You can cover it in washi and make it look any way you want. It's super simple. You just need to line the washi up and you're good to go. Remember that washi is see-through, so whatever you have on your cover is probably going to be seen through. What I would do if you have a cover that you don't like is to use maybe darker washis, because you're not going to be able to see so much through, maybe just where the pink flowers are, than if you had a lighter washi. So you can really see that that's pink through, but this one you can't see so much. Plus the quality of your washi is going to play a role as well. You can go edge all the way around to edge and cut it off there, or you can go in here and make it straight. You can make it like ragged, just rip it off, and then cover the inside with a patterned paper that matches. I think what I'm going to do is wrap it around and just cut it off straight, but I'm going to leave it a little ragged and then cut it all at once. So I picked this. I'm going to test it first to make sure that it looks good with the pink, because it's blue. It might have a purple tinge to it. We'll see. A little bit, but I think it looks good. I'm going to go with that. Let's go. Before I keep going, I just want to stop and show you this. This actually looks really cute just like this. You can add a sticker here or something, or your name, or even cut out one of these words and put it up here. But even just those 4 lines of washi really makes this planner look a lot more chic and fun and something that you want to use. But I'm going to keep going and finish the whole book. Okay, it probably would have been a good idea if I started at the top, because the last one didn't quite fit. So I put a little bit of the plain part and I didn't use the words. And now I'm just going to trim it. And now I'm going to trim all these little washi bits. I did fold them over just because they were getting in the way. And then I'll just tuck those in. And there you have it. The planner looks completely different. Here's the before and there's the after. Super fun. Next up, we are going to be punching washi. Now you can't just punch the washi because it's kind of flimsy and whatever, but if you, let's try these ones. If you put it on paper first, then you can punch right through it with absolutely no problem. Alright, and then you take your punch. Super easy. And then you have a circle that you can put into your planner. Now you may be thinking, okay, well that's easy because it's just a simple shape, but what if I want to do, what if I have a punch that's a little more complicated? What about this butterfly that has all kinds of little tiny punches, but it punches through the paper and the washi super easily. There's absolutely no problem punching through washi. Isn't that fun? If you watch the first part of this video, I put designs on sticker paper, and you can use sticker paper instead of regular computer paper, and then you can peel that off and it'll stick into your planner. Instant stickers with whatever punch you happen to have on hand. This one, for example, I've got washis lined up on the end here, so this row has to do with one subject, this row another, and this one another. So this could be work, home, kids, it could be morning, afternoon, evening, anything. This one you can change up week from week and have different washis. It just helps to show that this row is one whole part, and this one is another one, and this one is another one. Instead of going by days, you can use this part of your day for one activity, this part of your day for another, and this part of your day for a third. Okay, so this last idea combines decorating with actually being organized. Using washi as a key in your planner or your bullet journal. I'm going to show you a couple examples and then we're going to create a key. So in this case, for example, let's say that the butterfly washi is my daughter, and anything that has to do with my daughter, I will use the butterfly washi to represent her. The plaid one is my son, and let's say this black flower washi represents any tasks that are outside of the house. Going back to this, we're going to make a key. So let's flip to the notes section. You can do what I did on the other page and trim off little flags. Now if you have to cut flags every day for all these things, it may get annoying, but I'm just going to show you how it would work. And then you can write in what each washi stands for. Now once you get your key done, you may find that when you're in your spread every week that it gets kind of fiddly to cut out all these flags every day or however often that you're going to do it. So I have a little hack. Take a piece of paper, and this works for washi that doesn't stick very well to paper, it'll pull right back up. But if you are using washi that does rip, you can do this with a piece of like a glossy magazine page. Okay, so what you're going to do is just put your washi on the paper. And then I have this punch. Whatever punch you have, you can use that as the shape that you're going to put on. But if you have one like this, it's a square, but since it's wider than the washi, it's basically just going to cut a little slice of the washi out. And then I can just peel it off of the paper. You can also use sticker paper and just use the sticker paper as backing. If you want a longer strip, then you can use a bigger punch. Or maybe you want like a circle, so you can, let's put it close to an edge so I can punch. And then you can punch whatever size circle or any shape that you want. And either do that on sticker paper and stick it directly down, or put a little double-sided tape. You can use that to represent a task or your son or whatever. I hope you liked that video. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I'm going to send you here to go watch that now for 3 more different ways to use washi in your planner. Gotta use them up. I know you have a lot. I have a lot. I know you have a lot. We all have a lot of washi. You can click here on my little face to subscribe. While you're waiting for next week's video, here are 2 videos that I think you will like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.